surrounds me. If we hold ourselves together, we'll go far.
Hey guys, Yoduvh Essentials here. For today's video, I'm going to be making a glam floor lamp. And I'll be starting off with Dollar Tree chopping mats. It comes 2 in a pack, but I'll be using 3 pieces for the lampshade. And now I'm going to be gluing all 3 pieces together. This is not too clear, so I'm going to be using a dark surface so you guys can see it clearly. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. I want an oval shape for my lamp, so I'm going to be using this Dollar Tree tray and trace out the shape on a foam board. I'm going to do the same thing again and get the shape from a plastic sheet. And I got this from Michael's craft store. Now I have an oval shape from a foam board and a plastic board. The next thing I'm going to do is to cut out the outer shape from the foam board that's going to be about 1 inch thick. Now I'm going to be gluing what I just cut out to the chopping mat. I will close it up by sealing the sides. Now for the bottom, I'll be gluing on the plastic board. Now I have a unique oval shape lampshade. I'll be covering up the sides here that are showing that's kind of rough with this trim that I got from Walmart. I'm going to keep this aside and I'll be taking this strong strip of wood that I've had at home, and I got this from Home Depot a long time ago. I'll be using 2 actually for this project. It is really important that you use strong strips of wood for this part. I spray painted them silver, kept them aside, and then I cut 2 pieces from a foam board, and I'll be gluing these pieces together to give me 1 thick piece. I'm going to trace out the shape of the stick on the foam board and then carve out the shape. Now this is where I'm going to be gluing the pieces of the foam board that I just cut out. This will enable the wood to stay in place when I have the shade over it. I'll be using these remote control lightings and gluing them inside the shade. I installed the lightings in such a way that the batteries can easily be changed. I'm going to make the wood that's going to be holding the lampshade pretty by using Dollar Tree plates. These come in a set of 4. And I'm going to be cutting just the outer silver plated parts of the plate and cutting it into size to make a certain pattern with it. The wood I'm using is flat, and it's really important that you use a flat strip of wood. That way it's going to be easy to attach the pieces to it. I made a mark where I'm going to start and also a mark where I'm going to end. I'll have one in front and at the back so that the lamp is going to be pretty at the front and at the back. I started with using hot glue to attach the pieces together. Now that didn't hold pretty well. It started coming off. So what I did was to use a drill gun and make 2 holes for the bottom and for the top, and then attach them with zip ties. The double holes that I made passed through from the top right to the bottom. I also tried using a strong adhesive, and that didn't work as well because the plates, because it's in a circular shape, were kind of not staying straight. So you're going to have to bend it in some sort of way, and because of that, it won't stay still to the wood. That's why I had to take this route. Now with this route, I'm sure that the plates are going to stay still to the wood no matter what. I'm still going to be gluing them to the wood first before drilling in the holes to keep them aligned and making sure they're straight before I continue. Every other subsequent pattern should overlap with the previous one to give it a continuous pattern. I'm going to keep doing this till I get to the mark that I made at the bottom. I made the last pattern smaller because I needed it to fit. I made 2, and I'm going to keep them aside and work on the base. I'll be using one of the storage boxes that I got from Michael's when they were on sale. This is one of them. Now you can use a foam board and make a box out of it. I'm just using this because I have a lot of them at home. I'm going to make the bottom thicker by gluing on 2 pieces of foam board that I cut down to size to fit the bottom of the storage. I measured and drill holes at the bottom, through the top, and when it's closed, that's where the wood is going to pass through. A firm and sturdy support is very important for this project, so the wood is going to pass through the top and go right down to be inserted here. I spray painted the storage silver. Before closing this up, I forgot to mention that I also used a strong adhesive in each and every one of the holes that's at the bottom. Now I'm going to be inserting the pattern and then using a strong adhesive again to hold it at the top. I'll be using round mirrors at the top to cover up the open spaces. And then I used gems to cover up the pointy sides of the plates and to cover up the zip ties. When I was done, I mounted the shade on top. I have to say that this is so pretty and so unique. I love everything about this lamp, especially the lampshade. The floor mirror that I have by the right, it's another DIY project of mine, and the link for that is going to be down in the description box below. Isn't it awesome to know that Dollar Tree plates can give you such beautiful home decor pieces? And as you can tell, I also use the plates to make the mirror that's by the right. This is what the lamp looks like when the lights come on. It is strong, firm, sturdy, and so beautiful. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Now don't forget to like it and share with your friends and families as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now, I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button.